Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm unboxing a pretty large order from a Cherry on Top. And what I really like about shopping at a Cherry on Top is they have where you can bank your orders and combine them to get a discount on shipping. So you can get 50% off shipping at $89 and you can get free shipping at $139. So I combined several orders so that I could get free shipping, and here's a look at everything I got. Now I took advantage of some Black Friday deals, so you'll see some of those in here. I will have links to all the products that I purchased down below, and I always appreciate when you shop my links, as I do earn a small commission at no extra charge to you. Now the first thing I'm unboxing here, this was one of the Black Friday specials. They had some bundles, and this was a mystery junk journal bundle. And I am new to junk journaling. It's something that I want to start in the new year. So I thought by purchasing one of their mystery bundles for junk journaling, that would be a great option for me to start. I don't think these are available any longer on their website, but they do have other mystery bundles and they do have other specials and lots of junk journaling things on their website. So you'll have to check it out. I like this. This is an Arteza pen. You'll notice the first thing I unboxed there was one of those Tim Holtz Ranger Distress Colors bags. So I liked that. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side and show you some of the other items that I purchased. This is my first time purchasing a Cherry on Top cherry foam tape. These are huge rolls, and I wasn't sure what I was getting, but I ordered 2 different sizes, and I think these should last me a good while, maybe a few months. Just kidding. I think this will last me all year, but these were a really good deal. I got them in 2 different widths. So you can kind of see here, I got them in the 3/8 inch width and a 1/4 inch width. And I think these will be great for just cutting little strips and making foam shakers, or just adding dimension to my cards and my scrapbook pages. So I think this was a really good purchase, and I'm excited to try this out. Okay, the next thing I bundled in one of these Simple Story bags. So Simple Stories just released all these storage bags. And this is the 14 by 14 bag, and I thought this would be nice to store supplies in, so I put lots of my items in here. So I'm going to pull this out. The first thing I have here is I've got this new solar spray. I've really been into these lately and trying different mixed media elements, so I'm excited to give this one a try. And then I just got some random bits here, but this is from Echo Park, and look at these stamps. I love makeup and lipstick, if you didn't know that about me. And so I love this stamp that says, "You are like really pretty." I think that was so cute. And I think these will be fun to make for Valentine cards. I love lipstick, like I said, and this one has a lipstick and the lips, so I couldn't pass this up. I'm so excited to try this out. And then there's also a matching stencil that they had in this collection. So this is I think this is a new collection from Echo Park. So I can't wait to make some Valentines with all of these. Then I got quite a bit of the Pretty Little Studio Candy Cane collection, or Candy Cane collection. But this was some stitching stickers. And this was from Uniquely Creative, and look at these like mixed media stamps. I love this one down here that looks like lots of date stamps. This is so cute and so fun. It's going to be great on cards and scrapbooking, and also in my art journal. So this is fun. And this one, I liked it so much I ordered 2. That's the only dilemma with the Bankit shipping, is that you don't remember what you ordered, and so you like it so much you order it again. But these are little stitching stamps. And then I got some just ribbon here. And then this is really cool, also from Uniquely Creative. These are some metal dies, and it makes it look like tangled thread, or just like little stitching. So I'm excited to try that out. Here's some more of the Pretty Little Studio stitching, like faux stitching stickers. I love adding those. And then these are from Ranger, the Distress Oxide ink labels. So these are the tiny ones, and I think these are meant for smaller items, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them on my foam daubers. I do have a video that I released a couple weeks ago where I showed how I'm storing all of my Distress Oxide ink daubers. And I had originally printed my labels, and they were clear labels, and I had started putting them on these containers. And I did purchase enough to have every ink, Distress Oxide ink, their own little container. But I bought these stickers, these are just released, in hopes that I could put them on here instead of the clear labels. I really didn't like the clear because you can't see the color. So I wanted to get something that I could see the color, and then they're also already grouped in these color families. So I think I can just go through my tubes like this and add each of them. So let me go ahead and open this. I'm so anxious to try this and see if this is going to work. These were super inexpensive. Now I know you could probably print these yourself and color them up, but this is the lazy way to do it. And look, I love it. That's going to be perfect. So now each ink dauber will have its own little container with a label. I can't get this on right here, probably because you all are watching me. Let me go ahead and screw this cap on, and I'll set that to the side. I'll link that video down below in case you're interested. It'll be in the description box. Okay, so lots of other things that I purchased. I got lots of this candy cane collection from Pretty Little Studio. These are gorgeous. Look at these poinsettias. Here's a look at everything that comes in this die cut pack, this ephemera pack. And I can't wait to use this. I just think it's so pretty. It's just so bright and vibrant, so my style. Here I got the die cuts. These are like banners, and I just love the colors. And I don't think you would have to use this for Christmas. I mean, you could use this for anything. Obviously the ones with like candy canes you would, but this is just so pretty. I think I could use it for anything. I got the 6x9 mixed paper pad, and these papers are just gorgeous. I love that. I'm not going to unbox all the papers, but I just wanted to kind of quickly show you what all I got. I'm going to set this to the side and make room for another pile. So I also got this uniquely creative collection, and I like this because it's called Written in the Stars. I like this because of the gold, the yellow color. My daughter's school colors are gold and black, but I also think it would just be so fun for like everyday documenting, and I'm lacking collections that are for everyday documenting, and I think I could really use this. I also got these creative cuts, and I'm really onto this uniquely creative stuff. I like this brand. Okay, I also got, oh, here's another one of these die cuts. I must have really liked this. I think this is another duplicate. I'm sure I'll put it to use though. Then I got a 49 in Market collection. I got some miscellaneous papers here to show you, but I got this 49 in Market collection. It's new, and it's called Whispering Way, and I think it's really pretty. And I also got the flowers. My daughter has a winter formal coming up. They postponed the date, and she's wearing a pink dress. So I thought this would be gorgeous. Now, originally, you know, with that Bankit shipping, I saved some items for later. I originally just purchased this paper, and I like this side too, though, and this one. And then I end up purchasing the whole collection, I guess. So it's always a surprise when you bank your orders. Then I got this pretty paper. This is from Paper Rose Studio. I just love that wood grain. I thought that was gorgeous. And then I got this for the candy cane, the Pretty Little Studio candy cane lane or candy cane. And look at that star. Isn't that pretty? And then this one here. So that is a look at everything that I purchased. I hope this has been helpful and maybe gives you some ideas of things that you might want to purchase. Check out the Cherry on Top website. They have coupons and specials running all the time. So before you purchase, check to see if there's a coupon code, and you can, you know, bank your orders for free shipping. And I really appreciate when you click my link before you check out, as that helps me earn a small commission and it doesn't charge you anything extra. So that's a great way to support me and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite item is that I just got. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!